I need to hang this plate onto my toolkit, and all I have are these nails. Let's put on our problem-solving hats and figure out what tool can help. Here are the items I have on hand. Idea number 1, a screwdriver. Idea number 2, a wrench. Idea number 3, hammer. What do you think will work? Let's experiment and see. First up, the screwdriver. The nails have a different shape that does not fit the screwdriver. Second, the wrench. The nail doesn't have edges for the wrench to grab onto. Our third and last option, the hammer. It's working! But why did only the hammer work? We only had nails. A nail is long and smooth, and it needs to be tapped with a hammer to slide into place to secure the plate. A screw has a notch on the top, and a screwdriver fits right into that notch so it can twist. A bolt has flat edges, which a wrench wraps around to turn. Different tools, different jobs. Right tool, problem solved. Thanks for exploring with me, problem solvers. Until next time, keep on discovering!